Are you aware that you, being in middle management position, feel sandwiched between top management and your subordinates and develop a sense of frustration? Hello, my name is Manisha Agarwal and I am a corporate trainer. When you joined a company as a fresher just after the college, your job was technical, for which you had sufficient technical knowledge. And because of your technical knowledge, you were able to do your job in the most efficient and effective way. Eventually, over a period of time and with your good performance, you got promoted. Now, your job is not just the technical part, but now you have to manage a team also. This poses a new challenge for you. For some, it becomes a puzzle because we are never being taught how to handle and manage people or lead a team. The top management's focus is thinking about long-term goals and strategies. So, at the middle management position, your role is very crucial and challenging because you are there to bridge the gap between top management and the lower management. In many surveys of companies, we have found that leadership is amazing, people are doing wonderfully well, they care about for their people. But when we talk to the first line supervisors, they say the place is hell to work. So there must be something going wrong in the middle management only. The problem is that actually in companies we do not train people how to handle a team and manage people to have superior results from them, that too on consistent basis. So the managers remain managers only, they never are able to become leaders. So how can managers become leader? I have already shared one video earlier, 3 mistakes which managers makes. This video can actually help you to guide you to have some really effective tools to become leader. For the link, check in the description below. Hope this video works for you. See you in my next video.